Today I will show you how you can install Windows 11 where your processor is not supported and you basically get the error. So I will show you quickly. So if we go to PC health check, or if you're trying to update using the Windows Update Assistant, you will get the error message. So you can see my processor isn't currently supported for Windows 11. So technically you are unable to upgrade the system to Windows 11, but there is a way you can bypass the CPU check and you can install the Windows 11. So I will show you, and I will show you from the Windows Update Assistance as well. So for example, if you open the Windows Update Assistance tool, you will also get this error message that the PC doesn't meet the minimum system requirement, but you will not get the exact error or exact findings where exactly is failing. So for that, basically you need to download the PC health check app. So when you click on this, it will start downloading the tool, and from the PC health check tool you will get the in-depth breakdown of where exactly is a requirement for the Windows 11. So in my case, the processor isn't currently supported, so I will show you quickly how we can basically bypass this and install the Windows 11. So for that, first we need to do is we need to go to the registry editor. So we just type this regedit in here, start menu. We go to the registry editor, then we go to the HKey local machine, then we go to system, then we go to setup, and then we go to MO setup, setup, and then we need to go to MO setup. If there is no MO setup, then we can create the new folder in here. I would say new key, and then we can name it MO setup. And then inside the MO setup, we need to create a new dword 32-bit, and we can name this dword allow upgrades with I will basically copy paste so it will be easier, but I will mention this in the description box as well, so it will be easier for you to create the dword. And then we need to set its value to number 1. Okay. So once it's done, you can close the reg editor. We need to download the Windows 11 ISO, so we can install it from this page. I will add this page to the description box. So in here you will need to go to the last option, download Windows 11 disk image, and you just need to click on download and it will start downloading. In my case, is downloading, it's almost complete. So once it's complete, we will try to install it again, and let's see if it's allowing us to install the Windows 11 or not. Okay, so we can basically go to open. Okay, so now we need to click on next. So we will skip this one because we don't want to download the updates at the moment. So So I will select not right now, so it will just install the Windows 11. So to make our process quicker, so now it's checking our device for the requirement. Now because we created that key in the registry editor, it mostly bypass the error for the processor, but we are getting the error for the TPM and the Secure Boot. So for this one we need to change this setting from the BIOS, so I will show you that as well. Okay, so I'm in the BIOS setting in my device. So basically we'll need to go to the security. So sometime depend on the device, this setting will be different depending on the device, but you will need to mostly go to the security and you will need to find the security chip, or it's called TPM, or sometimes it's called Intel PVV setting as well. So basically we need to go to security chip, and you can see the security chip is disabled at the moment, so I will enable the TPM. So TPM is now enabled. Now one more thing we need to enable is we need to enable the Secure Boot. So we need to go to Secure Boot and we need to enable it, the Secure Boot from here as well. You will get this prompt. Is basically this one of the requirement for the Secure Boot is it has to be the UEFI mode. So your boot mode should be UEFI, then the Secure Boot will be available. So make sure the boot mode is set up to UEFI, and then once it's done we can set it up. So now the Secure Boot and TPM is enabled. So let me save this setting and reboot the system, and then we will check if we still getting the error message or not. It's now rebooted, and I open the image again. Let's see if we can able to install the Windows 11 successfully this time or not. So let me click next. Now it's checking the PC. Hopefully we shouldn't get any error message. Let's see. Excellent. So now we're not getting the TPM error, we're not getting the Secure Boot error, and we're not getting the processor error as well. So all three error is now gone. Let's try to proceed with the installation. Yeah, we will see like the key personal files. Yeah, yes. Okay, so this process is now takes maybe half an hour to 1 hour. So I will pause this video here, and then I will skip this video, and once the installation finish we will continue with the process, and I will show you if it's successfully installing or not. Once I receive this prompt, you probably receive the same as well. So we need to accept this first. We need to accept the first one is for the processor, because we bypassing the processor check. It will not damage your PC, it will successfully install. We haven't seen any issue. It's just basically Windows 11 requirement, and they are forcing us to update the CPU, but normally with this CPU it works fine as well. There might be some bug, but the good thing is we can able to use the Windows 11 with our older CPU processor. And the second one is for the display language, so that should be fine as well. We will click OK. Okay, so it's now ready to install, so I will click on install, and I will see you in few minutes. Pulling at the moment 16%, after I would say 5 minutes, so it will take another 20 to 30 minutes. So I will skip this video, I will wait for it to complete, and then I will resume the video afterwards. successfully installed the Windows 11. I have checked everything is working fine. There might be some compatibility issue due to the processor is not supported, but so far I tested the system and few other applications is working fine. So it's good way we can actually use Windows 11 on the unsupported CPU using this method. Thank you.